In Manthena Satyanarayana Raju, and we are entering in Surya Yoga Pranganam, where here we can keep the chapel stand for male and the female session, and this is the open top yoga hall, and here we go for the mats. Today there is rainfall, so the yoga will be conducted in yoga hall, which is covered by rooftop. Okay. And this is a stage where the yoga practitioner will sit and guide with their pose how to do the kriyas or yoga kriyas and everything, asanas. On the back side is the Krishna river, the bank of the Krishna river. We have the beautiful yoga asana stage and practicing with the sadakas. Hey. Here you can see the beautiful trees surrounded, the lighting up, and here we go with the sit out area. Who can sit, chill out, and they can do work from home as well. If they are software employees, someone business meetings or something else, you can attend very peacefully at the bank of Krishna river. It's getting so smoothly. You can see the beauty over here, and everything here, it is made up of wood or somewhat bamboo, I think. Here we go towards front, and there we go, the buildings where we stay. Yep. Here you can have the close view of stage. And here we have one more sit out area where we can chill out in the evening times. We have water as well here. Look at the beauty, how beautiful it is. Now here entering the garden side. Look at the beauty at the bank of Krishna river. We have the large sit out garden, and we have kutirams. We have 7 kutirams, and this is the 7th one, Gnana Kutiram, where the people will sit and do yoga, or they can chill out here in a peaceful place. Yeah, this is the welcoming gate. Here we go with the river, and we have the benches as well. We can sit, we can enjoy the river. And this is the second kutiram, Shakti Kutiram. And we have different structure and none of them will match the trees or sitting area or environment or anything. It is somewhat different. It is not at all same in all the places. And here we have the photo shoot photo frame where people will do all the photos in the evening time. It's a pleasant place. And this is the fifth one, Pavitra Kutiramu. And again, here we go. The things. Yeah, I fell in love with this place. Yep. Look at the tree, how beautiful it is. And next come to Sneha Kutiramu. And here we go with the swimming pool. Morning 6 to 12 is for ladies, and afternoon now it is for ladies session, so I don't want to enter. You can see how beautiful the roads are and where the parties will be done in the natural shade of the trees. Well, for every batch, for every 15 days there will be one new batch will be entering. So for closing, for end of the 15 days party, they will conduct here with lots of stuff. And here come one more Kutiramu. I think there is a third one, Prema Kutiramu. And this is for sand walking track. For gents and ladies it is separate. And here we can see the beautiful ducks over here. I don't want to disturb them. Okay, I think this is the second one. Let's see what's the name of this Kutiramu. Sukha Kutiramu. And let's go down here. It is somewhat different. You can look at this. And here we go with boating part, where in the evening 5 to 6 they will be allowed for the boating whenever the water pressure is low. Now it is high, so now they have closed it. They are not conducting. And this is the first Kutiramu, where it is named as Shanti Kutiramu. And here we have the fountain. Generally it will be played or it will be on in the evening times. Now we are shooting at morning. We have the Krishna Vihar. You can see with beauty over here, where the boating will be done in the evening session. Now as I said, the river is flowing very rude, so now they have stopped it. Stopped it. And there we have one sit-out area which is covered by trees, and we have beautiful chairs, hanging chairs, Yes, we can chill out with the nature. I think you are able to see it. And this is the female play area where the shuttle will be done, and we have the swings, we have the sit out thing, and here we go with the Chandrakala Sabha Vedika, where the speeches programs will be done, conducted in the open top whenever there is no rain. And here we go with the yoga hall left, and we have the electric vehicles who are not able to walk. They are very useful for them. And let me see, is anyone here? If none of them is there, we can go inside and we can explore. See how beautiful the entrance is. Yoga hall. See how big it is. And at the entrance there is a Buddha statue. There's a fan there, people, so I don't want to enter inside. Here's the entrance. And here go we go with green gym. We have seen for females and the male session. Here we go with green gym, and we have the pain relief yoga as well at the back side. This is the ladies. And we are going back. Here we have the yogic kriyas will be done. Vamana Dhoti, eyewash, nose, etc. And here we go with male play area. Where shuttlecocks are there, and if we continue to walk to us, we'll get the coconut shop and sugarcane shop. Where chairperson will be sold, and these are the buildings where we sit, and there are total 5 buildings, and these are names by Prithvi Bhavan, Jal Bhavan, and etc. Total 5. Look up here.